So that's Ethan's chicken. So Ethan, do you are you gonna eat that chicken?
No,
Why not?
because I don't like chicken.
Why don't you like chicken? Oh, hold on. Here comes Hunter to see what we're talking about. Hey buddy, how you doing? How come you don't like chicken? Is it because we have chickens? Is that why you don't like chicken?
Yeah, duh.
What?
Yeah, duh.
Is it because you love the chickens because they're little and fluffy?
Yes.
And you like to cuddle the chickens?
I like to cuddle the chickens. They probably scratch my face.
So you don't like this chicken because you think it might be a relative of one of our chickens that we own?
Yes.
Okay. What about the taste of chicken? Do you like the taste of chicken?
No.
Why?
I don't like the taste.
Okay. What about if you put some hot sauce on the chicken?
I still don't like it.
Okay. Okay, I will, you'll be sitting in front of this chicken until your bedtime, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, buddy. I'm gonna sign off now and put this on Facebook.